In this video, we're creating the first panel from a series of 3 modern geometric stained glass artworks designed to be displayed in a window. The design features bold colors and clean shapes, combining red, yellow, teal, and textured clear glass to create contrast, rhythm, and a vibrant play of light. Using templates, we trace each shape onto the corresponding sheet of stained glass. Hold the glass cutter like a pen and score with firm, steady pressure in one smooth motion. If you're new to cutting stained glass or want more tips, we have a full tutorial on our channel. The link is in the video description below. Once all the pieces are cut, they're placed on top of the full-size pattern and adjusted to fit precisely. Before starting to grind, it's important to fix the panel in place so the glass pieces don't shift. We use a plywood base and secure the outer edges with small nails, just enough to hold everything steady without putting pressure on the glass. This setup helps maintain the layout during grinding. The vertical sides of the panel will be reinforced with metal borders. These will be soldered to the edges after foiling to add strength and help the panel keep its shape over time. If any piece overlaps another, mark the excess area with a marker. This shows exactly what needs to be removed. Accurate grinding ensures tight seams and smooth foil application. After the pieces fit perfectly, we move on to copper foiling. Use foil that matches the thickness of your glass. The wider the glass, the wider the foil should be. Apply the foil evenly, centering it on the edge, and press it down smoothly. At the corners, fold the foil like a small envelope to keep the edges neat and avoid buildup during soldering. The metal border strip also needs to be foiled, but only on the side that will be soldered to the stained glass. For the horizontal rows of glass pieces at the top and bottom of the panel, use wider foil and around 10 millimeters. This gives extra strength where no metal border will cover the joints. Now it's time to join everything together. Apply flux to all foiled edges, then solder along each seam with steady movements. Avoid going over the same spot too often. The goal is smooth, consistent solder lines. Once soldering is complete, we clean the panel thoroughly to remove any flux residue. Then black patina is applied to the solder lines to add contrast and define the shapes. A final polish brings out the shine of the glass and gives the panel a finished look. And here it is, the first piece in our geometric stained glass series, finished by hand and ready to brighten up any window. In the next video, we'll move on to the second panel with a brand new layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next one.